So I have 1 can, 1 bunch, 1 onion, and 1 cup of jalapeno. Okay?
Blend it all up and you've got 1 savory salsa.
We're going to be doing some homemade salsas today, a salsa verde, a salsa rojo. Today we're more focusing on breakfast, taking the sweet out of breakfast and making it a savory meal for the students, getting that day started with protein.
Consulting chefs Laura and Kent are taking over the kitchen, encouraging our nutrition staff to get creative with more whole food ingredients that will appeal to the ever-changing cravings of our students.
There's a population of Indian families here, so we're working on some vegetarian things, some vegan and vegetarian items, and some things, culturally appropriate things also.
Our cooks are whipping up chilaquiles, frittatas, and baking from scratch.
Anytime you bake anything, you went to a lot of trouble.
In the classroom, they're learning about the science behind baking, efficiency tactics, and how to take an old recipe and make it new.
I think empowering staff to know that they can do it, they can make a difference, instead of utilizing pre-made items to make items from scratch. They're currently doing a lot of great things here. They're making their own scratch ranch dressing and utilizing those recipes to expand upon that certain recipe.
And they'll put these skills to the test at lunchtime on the first day of school. We are Greenfield, dedicated to children.